Welcome back everybody. Well, it's Sunday night and I'm going to do a Sunday night showcase for you guys tonight with some of my Hot Wheels. And tonight I'm going to be taking out of the packets the complete set of the Hot Wheels Stars and Stripes series. So this is all 10 cars in the order that they are numbered. And this is the 50th anniversary Stars and Stripes series. I've already done a preview on this with them on the cards, and we're breaking them out of the cards tonight just so we can have a closer look at them and check out these really awesome sets. So welcome in, and here we go. First up tonight is the wonderful Chevy El Camino. This is a really nice casting, beautiful white colour, fantastic flames on it. Great stars and stripe detail, beautiful red accents on the wheels, and some beautiful blue and white stars up the bonnet there on the scoop. The black bed and the rose coloured windows. This is a really nice looking casting. So beautiful decals on this, nice chrome front. So that's the first one. That's the H car. Second one is the O car, and this is another Chevrolet. This is the Chevrolet C10 pickup. You'll just hear me breaking this out of the packet. And here we go. This is number 2 of 10. And this is one of my favourites in the whole lot. That is a beautiful truck. Excuse me. Beautiful gold wheels. There's the 50th anniversary logo there in the blue. Some beautiful chrome work in the bed. Nice colour. Beautiful black stripes and black stars and white stripes up the side there with the white stripes on the scoop. That is really nice. Chrome interior. That's a beautiful looking Chevrolet truck, alright. So that's number 2 of 10. That's the O truck. Number 3 of 10, the T car, is another Chevy Nova. And this is a really nice casting. I've got quite a few Chevy Novas actually. And but this particular one with the stars and stripes work on it is just stunning. Just have a look at that. That is very cool indeed. Beautiful dark electric blue. Red tinted windows, white interior, and covered in stars and stripes. Chrome front. It's got some beautiful wheels. Nicely lowered there. It's got a great stance. That is a really nice looking car. And there's the 50th anniversary logo on the boot or the trunk. And that is number 3 of 10. The number 4 of 10. Bit of a change from Chevy. We're going into a 66 Mustang 2+2 fastback. This is the number 4 of 10 car. This is on the 50th anniversary card. So the first 3 spell HOT, H-O-T. This one doesn't have a letter. It's just the Hot Wheels 50. So just check this out. This is really nice. Beautiful Mustang. Beautiful red colour. Great decals on it. Outstanding. Really tasty. That's a lovely little car, and there's the 50 on the back panel there. Stripes up over the top. 76 on the numbers, and that is really nice. So that is the 4th car in the series, and we're busting into the 5th one now, and another Ford. So we've gone from the Mustang. This is number 5 of 10, which is the W letter to spell Hot Wheels, and this is a custom 56 Ford truck. And if you guys remember, I actually opened one of these and it was slightly damaged. So I've got the damaged one here, but I'm just going to be opening up a new one because I can. And here we go. So hopefully this is an undamaged one. Here it comes. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Doesn't seem to be any damage on that one. And that is a really lovely truck. Look at that. That is fantastic. Red bumper, chrome grille, chrome air intake, beautiful blue, red running boards, red exhausts and back piece, nice blue colour, and red and white flame stripes all over it with some stars running up the middle of the bonnet and up over the roof. And those really cool red wheels and slam down at the front. So that is very, very cool indeed. Very nice. And that is the W car. So that's number 5 of 10. So we're at the halfway point. Number 6, we've got a 1967 Pontiac GTO. This is a convertible. I've got a number of GTOs, but not many convertibles. So let's break this one off the card. So this is the H, the letter H, that spells wheels. So here we go. This is really nice. Check that out. That is very cool. Beautiful white car. Beautiful stars and stripes all over it. Blue windshield. Red interior. Red wheels. 50th anniversary on the back quarter panel there. Chrome back. Really nice car. Nice stance. Slightly raised at the back. It's got a nice sort of lean on it. It's very cool indeed. So that is number 6 of 10. Number 7 of 10. Next up is the 69 Chevrolet Corvette. And this particular one is really, really cool. I like this one. Here we go. Number 7 of 10. There's the Corvette. Just have a look at that. That is very nice. I think I said in my preview of these models when I had them on the cards that is something that you'd see Evel Knievel driving around in. Stunning dark blue, beautiful big wheels at the back, slightly smaller ones at the front. 50th anniversary logo, as all these cars have got, and the stars and stripe deco on it is just outstanding. Chrome lake pipes on the side, chrome 5-star wheels. That is very, very nice indeed. And that's number 7 of 10. And number 8 of 10, which is another letter E in the Hot Wheels spelling on the cards. And this is a Dodge Charger, 1969 Dodge Charger. This is a particularly nice car as well. And quite a nice colour scheme, as you will see. Look at that. That is very cool indeed. Black. It's got some beautiful stars and stripes work on it. There's the 50th anniversary logo. And that is very nice indeed. Check that out. That is very cool. So again, red windows, or rose coloured windows. Some beautiful chrome wheels, beautiful stars and stripes on it. That is just stunning. And that's the 69 Dodge Charger. That's very cool. And the next one up is another Dodge, the 69 Dodge Coronet Super B. Now this particular one is quite a bit different to the other ones in the set. This is the L car in Hot Wheels, number 9 of 10. So it's the second to last car. But just check out the way they've done that with the stars on it and the dark brown colour with the blue and the tan interior and the gold wheels. That is very cool. That's a really nice car. So completely different take on the stars and stripes. And that is one heck of a good looking car. So that's the second to last car. And the last one, the S car, number 10 of 10, 1977 Pontiac Firebird. And just break this one out of the packet. If you guys would like to post some comments too and let me know what you think is the best car in the set, and I'll put up my best car at the end, I think. So here is number 10 of 10, Pontiac Firebird. Silver, 50th anniversary there on the trunk. It's got some cool stars and stripes, little rose red accents around the wheel rims. Got some blue glass and a real cool Firebird T-top. So that is very cool indeed as well. So that's another nice looking car, and that is number 10 of 10. So thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that'd be great. Hit the notifications bell, and that'll let you know when I'm posting another video, when I'm breaking out my collection, or I've picked up some new Hot Wheels or Matchbox or Maisto or anything else I managed to snaffle. So I will now put up what I think is my favourite car of the whole lot, and it's gonna be pretty tough because there's some pretty nice cars here, but I would say that probably first equal will be these two here. These two would be my first equal. There we go. One truck, one car. Check that out. So it'll be the C10 and the Corvette. Pretty hard to pick between those two, but I think they're probably my two favourites. Just the way the castings are done, the paint jobs are done, everything about this set is just outstanding. Absolutely love it. Real thumbs up to Hot Wheels. Great set. So that's it for tonight, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed seeing a bit more of my collection, and we'll catch you on the next one. And thanks very much. And wherever you are out there in Hot Wheels land, we've got a bank holiday tomorrow, or a statutory holiday, so we'll have a Monday off. A long weekend for us here in New Zealand, or in Marlborough where I live. And enjoy it, guys. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.